In a small village, there lived a lazy boy who constantly put off important tasks. Because of his procrastination, he fell behind in his studies and struggled with other aspects of life. Despite being advised by his family and teachers to value his time, he ignored their words. He wasted his time on things that didn't matter, showing no concern for his future. One day, a wise man came to the village. He was known for his deep wisdom and knowledge, and many people sought him out to learn from him. The lazy boy decided to meet the wise man, hoping that he might offer some advice to help him get ahead of his classmates. When it was his turn to speak with the wise man, the boy said, "Please help me. I feel like I'm a failure. I'm always behind my friends and classmates, and I want to be the best. Can you show me how?" The wise man looked at the boy kindly and replied, "Your problem is that you don't value your time. You delay your tasks and waste precious moments. Let me tell you a story to help you understand the importance of time." The boy listened attentively as the wise man began. The story of the king and his lazy friend. There once was a king who was generous and loved his people, always ready to help them. One day, he met an old friend from his school days. This friend, however, was poor and had no job or respect. He often complained about his bad luck and blamed others for his troubles. The king, feeling pity for his friend, asked him about his situation. The friend replied, "Whenever I try to get a job, I'm rejected. My enemies have spread the word that I never work on time, and now no one wants to hire me. I don't know what to do." The king, wanting to help, said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset, you can take as much gold and jewels from my treasury as you can carry." The friend was thrilled by the offer and rushed home to tell his wife. She was just as excited and urged him to go immediately. But the friend said, "I can't go now. I'm hungry. I need to eat first." After finishing his meal, he felt sleepy and decided to take a nap. He intended to sleep only for a short while, but he ended up sleeping for hours. When he finally woke up, it was already afternoon. Thinking there was still plenty of time, he set off for the king's treasury. Along the way, the sun was hot, and he felt tired. Deciding to rest for a moment under a tree, he soon fell asleep again. When he woke up, it was evening, and the sun had set. The gates to the palace were now closed, and he had missed his opportunity. The lesson. The wise man looked at the boy and said, "The reason your friend missed his chance was because he didn't value his time. He procrastinated and wasted time, thinking he had all the time in the world. As a result, he failed." The boy, feeling ashamed, thanked the wise man for the lesson. He promised to change his ways, realizing that time is a precious resource that should not be wasted. From that day forward, he stopped procrastinating and began working hard toward his goals. As he became more productive, he gained respect from his family and friends and felt a sense of accomplishment. Moral of the story: time is as valuable as gold, and it is the most precious thing we have. We all have limited time in life, and how we choose to use it determines our future. Procrastination and wasting time on trivial things will lead to missed opportunities and regret. If we focus on what truly matters and complete our tasks on time, we can achieve anything. As the saying goes, if you value your time, time will value you. But if you waste your time, time will ruin your life. We learn the value of time in different ways, whether it's a traveler missing a train by a minute or a student failing an exam. Those who use their time wisely will succeed, while those who don't will find themselves falling behind. If you want to accomplish something in life, never procrastinate or be lazy. Time waits for no one. Enjoy the small moments with your loved ones and focus on your dreams. That's the path to living a fulfilling life.